In this video, I'm going to show you how to get memories on Hytale, which you will need in order to travel to different dimensions and get more advanced features of the game. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and spawn into your Hytale world like you normally would, and you should spawn in the middle of a structure that looks like this. Then press on the M key on your keyboard, and we need to go ahead and go to this location right over here. So this is the ancient temple, and we first need to make our way to the ancient temple before we're able to actually get memories. So we need to go ahead and make our way over there. So you can always go ahead and use the map to let you know that you are going in the right direction. So yep, there is the structure right over there. It's typically going to be made out of stone, and it's typically going to be relatively close to spawn. So you will need to walk a little bit, and here is how it does look like. Now, before you actually go inside of the temple, what you need to take note is that there is actually a boss fight inside of this temple. So guys, only come if you're prepared. You could obviously fight the boss if you want to, or you can go ahead and run away. I suggest just running away from the boss entirely, but it really is up to you. If you guys are up for the challenge, or you already have some like loot and weapons, then you can go ahead and take on the boss. So in order to make your way to the boss, you want to go down these stairs right over here. And then, yep, the boss is going to be right over there, and you'll notice right behind him is the portal. So we need to go ahead and make our way to this portal right over here. So go ahead and enter it right over here. And then it is going to load you into the Forgotten Temple. This is the place where we're going to be storing our memories, and it's going to allow you to access all the advanced features of the game, like dimensions and stuff like that. So if you're trying to go to any dimension on Hytale, you're going to need to go to this location over here, and it is absolutely beautiful. And here's the map of it. It's just like a small island over here. All right, so now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and keep making your way forward. Keep making your way forward, and what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on this machine right over here, and it should actually be activated. And once you have it activated, you now have the memory system in place on Hytale. Now, the way the memory system works is that you're going to get one memory every time you encounter a new mob. So if you go encounter a spider, for example, it is going to be considered a new mob, and then you're going to go ahead and actually get that memory. And then with that memory, you're able to go ahead and access all the cool features. So let me go ahead and show you the menu really quickly. So here is the memory system. So over here, we're able to unlock all these different like categories of memories, aka mobs, that we can go ahead and find. So basically, you need to find all of the different freshwater, basically like fishes and stuff like that. Over here, we do have the critters, so we need to find that, and all the different goblin types in Hytale. And in order to check your memories, you need to press on tab, then go over here, and you should see this option that says toggle collected memories. Then over here, it is going to show you your memories. So I already have a few memories over here, but basically every time you see a memory, it is going to be recorded in this section right over here. So I got a spider. I also do have a skeleton over here and a little rat. So that is definitely pretty cool. And once you have enough memories, then you're going to see something that looks like this that says record 3 memories, or however memories you do have. Then you can go ahead and press on it just like so. And then there you go. We are now getting closer and closer to unlocking more of the features. So the way the memory system works is that you would go ahead and go near a mob, and you would interact with it for a little bit, and then you're going to get their memory. It really is that simple, guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.